Hey guys, I'm Chef Ryan Tapp. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I've been cooking for a long time, man. Like I remember, I was like 8, 9 years old in the kitchen with my mom whooping it up. One day, a lot of people told me it was good, and I decided what I want to do for the rest of my life. But look, we got a TV show called Choppin' It Up, based in Houston, Texas for the first season. Y'all don't want to miss it. Y'all don't want to not tune in. Hey, let's get it. So check this out, y'all. In my new TV series, Choppin' It Up, we're in Houston. I'm gonna be coming to your restaurants. We're gonna be trying your food, seeing what you have unique that's gonna put you on a map in the city, baby. Look, check this out. I'm gonna be there with y'all with some famous celebrity guests. It's gonna be entertaining, it's gonna be fun, but most of all, it's gonna get a little messy, you feel me? I know some of y'all just wondering, shaking in your body on how y'all can be part of the next episode on Choppin' It Up. Check this out, it's easy. If you or you know someone that wanna get involved, tell them go ahead, click the highlight in my bio that says Choppin' It Up. Once you click that link, scroll all the way down, register your restaurant for just $50. You heard me? Yeah, I say $50. Cut up, baby.